Hello everyone. Nowadays, I don't know about you, but it seems like we must always stay on the alert because you never know who you might run into or what question they may ask you. I've had two situations in about 2 weeks where somebody out of the blue asked me a question that was quite significant to them to get a good answer. And I recall a word coming from sacred writings that says, be always ready to give an answer to anyone who asks you about the hope that is in you. And so I find that this fellow came to me and he says to me, out of the blue, what kind of advice would you have for a 42-year-old man about the future? And I thought about it briefly, and since it was about the second time that I'd been asked a question like that in 2 weeks, out of the blue as well, I went right at the point I made the first time, and I said to him, make sure you set a plan for 5 years. Set a 5-year plan as to what you want to be in 5 years. What you want to be in 5 years. Because whether or not you set a plan, 5 years is still going to come. So it's best to decide now what you want to see happen in 5 years that would represent a difference, an upgrade, an advancement from where you are right now. And so I said, set that plan and take the first step as soon as possible and stick with it. And that's a good advice, I believe, for any young person at any time, and for whatever plans you have in terms of change you want to see in your life. Time is such an important factor in all things. Time can help you heal. Time can bring about changes. Time can be used to wipe out even diseases, because some things are time bound, some things have a shelf life, and once given time, change that is needed will come about sooner or later. So I told him, whatever you want to see change in 5 years, set a standard, set a strategy, and don't let anything whatsoever distract you. Set a strategy and don't let anything distract you. Make it a word in your head that says, come hell or high waters, I'm sticking with this, and I'm looking for something better in my life than I have now, and I think 5 years will do it. And it goes for anyone, and for many, many reasons out there, especially in this time that we're living in this time of uncertainty. But that's what I told him. And he said, thank you. He said, thank you. And I said to him at the time, I probably should record this. And lo and behold, it occurred to me again. And I recorded now that I'm addressing the issue that passed so innocently the past week. So I say good night, everyone. Have a great time and have a great rest for this weekend. I hope you find something fun to do, because I will too. All right. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more. So until next time, bye for now.